Where is my shimmer? Parang, nah. Yeah, I really like it. Gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you have seen from the title, gagawa tayo ng full face makeup using only Sunnies face. Ayan. Also, I'm gonna do a first impression review on these products kasi some of them ngayon ko lang magagamit, ngayon ko lang matatry. So, I'm very excited about that. And I've been hearing lots of good reviews about Sunnies face products. So, let's try this one out. Okay, simulan muna natin sa mini haul. Papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga napamili ko from Sunnies. So, binili ko lahat ng products na makakover ang aking makeup look. So, wala pa silang na-i-release na mga base products like foundation, powder, concealer. But I'm pretty sure in the near future, maglalabas din sila ng ganon. So, I can't wait to try this one out as well. So, for now, meron lang tayo dito mga products nila like the Life Brow Kit. So this is what the packaging looks like, and I'm really digging about their packaging, you guys. I'm not gonna lie, it's really good. And buksan na natin kung anong meron dito. This Life Brow Kit retails for 595 pesos. Comes with 2 products inside. Well, pwede nyo siyang mabili ng separately. Meron silang individual price. But I got this duo. I got the shade Ash Brown. This is how it looks like. This is called the Brow Defining Skinny Pencil. Meron siyang spoolie on the other end, which is very good. And ito yung kanyang product inside. And then yung isa naman, this is called the All Stay All Day Grooming Gel. So this is a brow mascara. So brow mascara, it helps your brows to stay in place. And this is how it looks like. Yung kanyang packaging is very simple, very classy, if you know what I mean. This is how the spoolie looks like on the brow gel. And then next is the GLOWBBOSS. Ito, first time ko lang din tong matatry. This is in the shade MAMACITA. Ayan. This is applicable for morena skin tone. Sold out na kasi yung ibang colors. I'm eyeing for the lightest shade sana, but I don't have it anymore, so I just get this one. This is how the color looks like. I can see it's darker than my skin tone. Can be used as a bronzer as well. For 145 pesos, guys, you can get a highlighter stick. And then I also have here the Sunnies AIRBLUSH. Ito naman, it reminds me of the Tarte blushers. Ito yung kanyang packaging. I really like their packaging. And I'm in the shade of peach. This is a cheek tint. I'm pretty sure it can also use as a eyeshadow. Ayan siya. Very beautiful coral peach shade. Perfect for everyday. And it comes with a mirror as well. Pakita ko sa inyo yung Tarte. Ayan. It reminds me of the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-hour blush. This one is a sample size kasi, so it doesn't have a mirror. And then lastly, I have 2 fluff mats right here. Ito naman, this retails for 345 pesos. I got in the shade of Major and Nudist. So this major one, I've been using this for my work, and so far so good. I love it. And this is one of my favorite red lipsticks. Kasi I really like the consistency, the texture of the lipstick. It's really good and gusto ko yung color niya. 345 naman yung kanilang fluff matte lipsticks. Alright, so let's start on to the application of the makeup. Nakapag-prep na ako ng aking skin. Naglagay na rin ako ng base. Like, nag-cushion lang ako, foundation cushion, and a little bit of concealer. Hindi ako nag-set using a powder kasi mag-cream blush tayo. Uunahin natin yung ating brows. Ayan. Try natin tong Life Brow first. Let's get a mirror. And then, I am going to brush out my eyebrows first before applying any product. And then, let's draw the eyebrows. I-zoom ko lang kayo ng kaonde para makita nyo yung makeup. Gustong-gusto ko talaga yung concept ng Sunnies. Very millennial, and yung design ng kanilang store. Talagang parang nakaka-tempt talaga na pumasok sa loob kasi ang ganda. Napaka-instagrammable nung concept ng store nila, and even the products itself, the packaging, how they come up with this makeup line is just really good. And for the price, of course, it's very promising. Like, hindi siya ganun kamura, hindi rin siya ganun kamahal. Nakikita nyo, I'm just making my way through my eyebrows. I'm just drawing it, filling it out. Sobrang dali lang niyang mag-glide sa eyebrows ko. And nakita nyo yung pigment. My only concern about this one is parang napaka-konti ng laman ng product niya. Let's check how long it will go. Pero natatakot ako baka maputol siya. Pero, yeah. So far, that's much of a product that you can get. But, ayun lang yung dilemma ko on this product. Now, I will take this brow gel. Kasi uso ngayon yung mga bushy looking of eyebrows. Kaya, ayan. Pinapataas natin yung kilay natin. Ayan. I like this brow mascara so far. Now, let's proceed on the Sunnies Face Air Blush. Maglalagay din tayo sa ating eyeshadow. Guys, it's very easy to blend. Parang yung kanyang consistency is parang lipstick. Very creamy, very soft. And then, I like the color. I think it's perfect for my skin tone. And ayan guys, very easy to blend. And kung nagmamadali kayo, you can also do this with your bare hands. Make sure it's clean. And ayan, meron na kayo instant eyeshadow. And then, lagyan na natin yung ating cheeks. As you can see, ginagamit ko lang yung aking fingers for this application. Kasi I think mas control kapag yung fingers yung ginamit. Lagay din tayo sa nose para parang drunk blush look. Hindi ako nag-set ng powder guys ha, kasi we're using a cream blush. Kasi pag naglagay kayo ng powder before cream blush, magmumukhang streaky yung makeup look. So, hindi magandang tignan. Now, let's try the GLOWBBOSS. Lagay natin dito. Parang wala lang. Where is my shimmer? But this one, parang wala akong nilalagay na highlighter. Can be a bronzer as well, pero hindi. Itong highlighter, itong GLOWBBOSS, medyo, I'm not really sure about this one, if you should buy this. Kasi, as you can see, there is no pigmentation, there is no shimmer. So, ayun. I'm very excited for the next one kasi nandito na tayo sa lipstick. So, isa to sa mga paborito kong steps ng makeup. I love putting color in my lips. So, this is the NUDIST one. Swatch muna natin tong NUDIST. Dito na lang. Oh, this is how it looks like. And it's really easy to swipe. And napaka-pigmented niya, guys. I love it, guys. Medyo dry nga lang yung lips ko, but yeah, I really like it. So far, parang nahanap ko na yung perfect nude shade for me. This is how it turned out. This is the finished look. And nakita nyo naman sa mga reaction ko, I like most of the products that I tried out. Dito nga lang sa may highlighter, medyo hindi ako na-convince kasi it shows na wala naman siya nagawa. Nakita nyo naman. But for the rest, nakita nyo yung pigmentation, how it turned out. Alright guys, so there you have it. You already seen my reaction on the Sunnies face. I hope that you like this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe here in my channel, and don't forget to follow me on my social media in Instagram at superteen with the 9-letter E. And thank you so much guys, and I see you on my next video. Bye!